Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 8, upload a document. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work or the business. We also need to have access to a document that we have created using Microsoft Word. So we can now start this tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on all applications, go to all apps, scroll to the bottom, click on explore your applications. Now let's go to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to My Communities. Click on All Company. Let's go to Files. In this tutorial, we will be uploading a Word document. So if I were to click on Upload, we can either upload files or a folder. Before we do anything, let's now minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Finder. Within the Documents folder, I have a Word document called trial.document. Let's just open this up and see what it is. Double click on this, verifying the application. That's fine. Sometimes it has to do that. No problem. Let's continually wait for that to open up, and there it is on screen. If I decrease the size of Microsoft Word, and so we can now quit Word for the moment. Now let's quit Finder. Now let's go all the way onto the dock, go back to Google Chrome, click on Upload, Files, and click on Documents, Trial Document, Microsoft Word. Let's click on Open. As we can see, it is uploading one item to Yammer. And there we go, the trial document now has been uploaded. So if you were to access the file again, we could go to Files, Trial Document. If I click on this, this will now take me to the document itself using Word within Microsoft Office 365 Web Browser Edition. There we go. So let's just wait for that to load, and now we can click on X. Let's close Yammer. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.